Looking for a new laptop? There are a lot of good laptops on the market a lot. Choosing the best laptop for you can be a pain, especially when they all look the same. Every laptop is different, from the price to the size to the hardware. So, it's important to do some research before you buy one. We've rounded up the best laptops on the market, from lightweight ultrabooks to powerful gaming laptops. So, let's check out the 5 best laptops for this year.
Call power what it is. It's not force or energy. Power is self-control, the confidence to be savage.
On me, you know what I want and only. All them other ones is phony. Moving like a drum on Moby.
To explore and see new worlds in a better way. To be stealth. And yet show.
A more striking appearance. Power, trust, intelligence.
Enriches your creativity.
Strikes decisively. Power reveals better ways to see other worlds.
Stealth style.
Savage performance. True power controls both. Legion 7.